Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to block ads in Firefox mobile. While Firefox for Android doesn't have a built-in pop-up blocker, we have what they call the ad blocking extensions that are readily available in the Firefox extension store. These extensions can effectively help you block pop-up ads, as it is their primary function, significantly reducing annoying pop-ups. They can also help you block other forms of online advertising, such as banner ads, video ads, and even some trackers. Let's look at some of the popular ones. So to get there, first thing you do is to open up your app, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on extension, and you can see the recommended ones. Now the uBlock Origin, which is the first one here, is an efficient wide spectrum content blocker, easy on the CPU and memory. It's lightweight and efficient ad blocker known for its performance. We also have what they call the Privacy Badger. This focuses on blocking trackers and protecting your privacy while browsing. We also have the Ad Guide Ad Blocker. It's an unmatched ad block extension against advertising and pop-ups, blocks ads on Facebook, YouTube, and all other websites. So by adding any of this to your Chrome, you'll be able to effectively block pop-ups and ads. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.